Hi, yeah, I am Shivaprasad. I have recently completed my master's uh, from UK, but after that I am very struggled to find a job in the IT field. But at that time, my friend suggested me the Fortray. With the very positive experience from the Fortray, with their support, and I successfully secured a job at A and O IT group as an IT support field engineer. I am truly grateful for the guidance and assistance they provided throughout the entire recruitment processes. They guided me step by step, ensuring I was well prepared and confident at each stage. Their dedication made the whole process smooth and stress-free. And I highly recommended to others who those who is looking for or an their career or opportunity in IT fields. Um, yeah.